My YouTube channel. In this video we learn about the use of Chrome Remote Desktop. First of all, open Google Chrome and write Chrome Desktop Remote Desktop. Click on first link and then click on access my computer, and now click on remote support and then click on download button and wait until your download is complete. The download is complete. Accept and install. Double click on remote desktop host. Now remove on the mobile screen. Open your Play Store and type Chrome Remote Desktop and install the first application. Now click on open. Wait. Now again move on the desktop. Click generate code. Remember this. Use the same Google account. Here is the link, here is the code. Write on your mobile screen or any other devices from which you want to control your device. Right here. Now open your mobile, click on this access code right here. Now click on connect. Wait, your connection is establishing. Allow, share, now share your screen is ready. Control your desktop from your mobile phone. See, double click on my computer, double click on drive, and then you are seeing how it's working. Thanks. Subscribe my channel if you found useful, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.